Okay, now I'll show you how to use the Halified back. You need to power on from here. And then you can see the LCD is on. You can see the past one. It means it's a low mode, low speed. You can press the button on, up and down to increase the speed or lower speed. Now you need to PS2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is maximum speed. Okay, and then okay, you press this button. On the button you can see the trip, the single trip, and also the audio. It means the general distance. Yeah, that's it. So this button, the main button to power on off, and also to switch from the audio to the trip. And this button is on and up and down to show you the different gear 4, gear 3, gear 2, gear 1, and then power off. That's it. Thank you.